Hello, this is Teacher Charles, and I'm looking at a chart on my computer, and you will see this. I will send it to you also, but I'm making it separate like this because I want you to watch my lips. Okay, I will make another one, and you will only hear my voice, and you will see the slide, but I want you to watch my lips. Many students do not know how to make the three sounds of the ed. Ed, to make a past tense verb, the most common way to do that is to add ed. Most students don't know how to make that. They know that the ed makes the ed sound and the l sound, but the ed also makes the t sound. So if you look at this chart, the pronunciation of words ending in ed depends upon the final consonant sound of that word. There are three ways to produce ed. There are rules. Honestly, look at all these rules. You have to remember them. Difficult to remember. The best way, just practice speaking them. Pay attention to the native speaker. And so the ed makes the ed sound, as in wanted, needed. The ed makes the t sound, as in, watch my lips, helped, looked, washed, watched, laughed, breathed, kissed, danced, fixed. To make the final consonant sound, our mouth must make more than one action. Wanted, needed, no problem. But the T sound, helped, looked, washed, watched, laughed, breathed, kissed, danced, fixed. You hear the kt, kt, pt sound. Okay, you have to learn how to make that. And the third sound is the. Called, cleaned, offered, damaged, loved, used, followed, enjoyed, amazed. Okay, I'm sending you this video because this is your homework. And I want you to practice, listen to me say it, look at the words on the slide, say it after me, and then the next time we meet, I'm going to have you make a sentence from each one of the words. Wanted. I wanted to eat dinner. I needed a drink of water. Make a sentence from each one, all right? So that's your homework.